Social media platforms have become an integral part of our lives, and they offer many opportunities to make money. In this video, we're going to cover 8 different ways to make money with social media. Hey everyone, this is Business and Beyond, and we hope you enjoy the video. Getting right into it, one of the most popular ways to make money with social media is through influencer marketing. Influencers are individuals who have a large following on social media and can influence their followers' purchasing decisions. They can make money by promoting products and services to their followers. Brands pay influencers to post pictures or videos featuring their products, which can help drive sales. If you have a large following on social media, you could become an influencer too. However, building a following takes time and effort. You'll need to consistently create high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Another way to make money with social media is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting a product or service and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. You can find affiliate programs in your niche and promote products to your audience. YouTube is another social media platform that can be used to make money. You can make money on YouTube through advertising revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing.
That's nice.
To make money on YouTube, you'll need to consistently create high-quality videos that provide value to your audience. Social media can also be used to sell digital products such as ebooks, courses, and templates. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can create digital products that can be sold on social media platforms. You can use social media to promote your products and reach a wider audience. Freelancing is another way to make money through social media. Many businesses and individuals are in need of social media services such as content creation, graphic design, and social media management. You can use social media platforms to showcase your work and attract clients. Social media can also be used to drive traffic to your online store. You can use social media platforms to promote your products and services and encourage followers to visit your website. This can help increase sales and grow your business. Patreon is a social media platform that allows creators to earn money from their fans. Fans can support their favorite creators by paying a monthly fee in exchange for exclusive content. This can be a great way to monetize your content and build a community around your brand. Finally, social media can be used to conduct webinars and online courses. You can charge a fee for attendees to participate in your webinars and courses. This can be a great way to share your knowledge and expertise with others while earning money in the process. So there you have it, different ways to make money with social media. Which method are you going to try out? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.